Greetings! Today we will learn how to specify rates for the works and materials used, and how to calculate the planning costs. These features are a part of the manufacturing subsystem. Let's start with setting the standard prices for the works listed in the bills of resources. Go to Manufacturing, Labor Costs, Kinds of Employee Activities. Open the activity named Varnish Coating and click Rates. Create a new employee activity rate using the following data. Period, beginning of the year. It's important that the period is earlier than the date we will use for the plan calculation. Qualification category 3. This category is used in all bills of resources. That's why we only need to set price for this category. Rate €15. Click Save and Close. Now set standard prices for other work kinds in this way. Okay, actually we already did it for you off-screen. Working with 3D printers, €25. Harness manufacturing, €15. Assembly, €12. Already done in the previous lesson. Now specify purchase prices for the materials. First go to CRM and Marketing, Settings and Catalogs, Price Types. Create a new price type. Name, Prices for Standard Cost Estimation. Select as a target cost of materials, semi-finished products and products. Click Save and Close. Next, go to CRM and Marketing, Prices and Discounts, Prices, Price List. In the Price List as of field, specify the beginning of the year. When setting the period, follow the rule we used when creating standard work prices. Click Generate. Go to the Product Filter tab, select Filter by Products, and click Add to select all the materials you want to set prices for. Remember the way we did that at the lessons of Stage 1. For the newly created price type, set the following prices. Now we are going to generate standard cost estimates. Go to Manufacturing, Master Data, Standard Cost Estimates. Create a new calculation like this. Dispatcher Department, Central Dispatcher Department, Company, SBS Manufacturing. Material price type, Prices for Standard Cost Estimation. Go to the Bills of Resources tab and add Hoverboard Special X1 with the following characteristics. Black, 10-inch wheel, 500-watt electric motor, accumulator battery 4C. Specify quantity, 1 piece. Fill the bill of resources with the only available value and click Post. As you can see now, the calculation has failed and an error message is displayed. Let's examine the cause of the error. The error message says that prices are not set for semi-finished products used for production. Let's go to Bills of Resources for Case Special X1. Go to the Materials and Works tab. Now pay attention to the Method of Receiving Material column. As you can see, all cells in it are set to Supply. All lines with semi-finished products must carry information that these are produced internally and not purchased from third parties. We'll need the already created bills of resources in the future. So let's create copies of these bills and specify the new method of receiving materials, produced by specification, for the semi-finished products. Type in the descriptions. Manufacture Case Special X1 plan for the copy of Manufacture Case Special X1, and Manufacture Hoverboard Special X1 plan for Manufacture Hoverboard Special X1. For Manufacture Hoverboard Special X1 plan, you need to specify that Case Special X1 is produced by specification Manufacture Case Special X1 plan. To do this, go to the Materials and Works tab. Now create the standard cost estimates again, following the same procedure, but using the new bills of resources. Click Post. As you can see now, this time the calculation completes successfully. To view the calculation results, click Reports and select Target Product Costs. This report shows all the costs incurred during production of each semi-finished and finished product, including material, labor, and itemized costs. Create standard cost estimates for Hoverboard Special X1 yourself, using the following characteristics. In this lesson, we completed studying standard cost estimates that serve to assess plant manufacturing costs and include both variable and fixed expenses. This concludes our lesson. Thank you for your attention.